Mimi Manners!
Mimi was playing with her teddy bear. Her mommy was busy folding clothes. Mimi saw a big pile of clean clothes, and Mommy looked a little tired. Mommy sighed. So much to do. Mimi thought, how can I help Mommy? She looked around her room. Her toys were on the floor. Mimi had a great idea. She decided to put away her blocks first. Mimi picked up her red blocks, then her blue blocks, and put them neatly in their box. It took a little effort, but she hummed a happy song while she worked. She felt a warm feeling inside. Mommy came into Mimi's room and saw the tidy block box. "Oh, Mimi, you put away your blocks all by yourself. What a wonderful helper you are." Mommy gave Mimi a big happy hug and a kiss. Mimi giggled. She felt so proud and happy. Helping Mommy made Mommy smile, and it made Mimi feel super special too. It was a good feeling to help her parents.